Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Today we will quickly examine how to create wealth in 5 ways if you were not born rich. How would you feel about wealth if you were born poor? How would you feel about a millionaire? Does it sound far-fetched from you? What if I tell you that the majority of rich people are self-made? Does it help reignite your hope of achieving a financial goal? If you were raised in luxury and never had to worry about money, how would that change how you see wealth? If you grew up hearing stories of people born into money who never knew anything but luxury, how would that shape your view of wealth? If you've been told you can be anything with enough drive and work, but then watch as someone else could achieve their dreams quickly, what would that make them look like when they are just starting? Keep watching this video until the end because you will know one more way to create wealth as a bonus if you were not born rich, with strategies, insights, and suggestions from people like Donald Trump and Warren Buffett. If you want to be rich or believe you are going to be rich someday, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you want to watch more videos related to wealth secrets, hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. Number 1. Save your money. One of the most crucial factors when attempting to create wealth is saving your money. This doesn't mean that you can never buy anything, but it does mean that if you want a better future, you need to plan and save as much as possible to make it happen. Start by saving more emergencies. When something unexpected happens, like a car breaking down or an illness occurring out of the blue, putting some money away will be enough so that you don't have an undue stress on your shoulders. It will also help you avoid borrowing money and accruing more debt. Finally, consider saving more other expenses, such as a vacation or a house. On average, based on American Express's statistics, the holiday expense per person is around $1,850. For most people, these are expenses that can wait until they have savings built up. But if you don't have yet to save, it can be tempting to use credit cards or borrow money from others when you feel like something should be happening in your life, but you need more savings. Bear in mind, don't make these mistakes. The best thing to do is start saving now. In addition, you will be able to sleep soundly at night, knowing that everything is taken care of and not having any worries whatsoever. The second one, invest your money. Investing your hard-earned money is one of the best ways to create wealth if you were not born rich. Investing doesn't just mean stocks, bonds, and other things like that. It can also mean investing in yourself by buying a book or course on something that could help you get ahead in life. One of the most common investment options for those who don't want to go through the hassle of picking individual stocks is index funds. Index funds are baskets full of different investments with a low turnover rate, which minimizes risk. The S&P 500, for example. Also, S&P 500 exposes you to various markets with long-term substantial growth, meaning 10% per year without worrying about what happens daily in any single market sector, or trying to predict where each stock will go next. As Warren Buffett mentioned before, the best investment you can do, even better than one stock, is to invest in yourself. If you want to know more about how to get ahead in life or make money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Number 3. Make your money work for you. You can be born rich to make your money work for you by saving and investing, starting a side hustle, or moonlighting. Even if you're not making a ton of money right now, it's important to start thinking about how your future will be different if you want to retire early or have kids. For example, you can invest some money into stocks and keep receiving long-term recurring dividends to increase your wealth. You may ask how to choose stocks to invest in. As I'm not a financial advisor, instead of recommending what you need to do, I would like to share a little bit of my real story that what I had done in the past 10 years. Long story short, I wanted to buy my first stock to receive a recurring dividend at that time. However, I just hesitated and thought about what stocks to invest in since there were too many options in the stock market. At that time, I based my familiarity with that company industry, and dividend yield to decide which stock to invest in. You may also ask how to save enough money to buy the first stock. Way back when I was a student, I had spent 10 years saving money because I had limited money only. At that time, I only had two sources of income. My first source of income was my parents gave me some petty cash to buy lunch and for transportation during my whole primary and secondary school life. The second one was the lucky money. During the Lunar New Year, just in case you don't know what it is a traditional festival in my living city. Once a year, I collected some lucky money from relatives and saved money. Because these two ways only gave me some money, not that much, I spent 10 years saving. Once I saved enough money, I started to invest money to buy stock to keep receiving a recurring dividend. After I graduated and started to work, I kept saving my limited salary into now. Once I save enough money, I keep investing and buying more stocks to receive more recurring dividends to increase my wealth. Long story short, I believe if you are patient, don't get scared, and do your homework, then you can make a killing in the stock market too. Also, you can spend your leisure time doing a side hustle. It takes effort and time, but with some creativity, there are many ways that you can make your money work for you. The key takeaway here is to start doing something, whether picking up a part-time gig, a side hustle, or changing your spending habits. Take steps today. Before going to the number 4 ways, if you feel like you've gotten the value so far, then make sure to smash the like button and the subscribe button. Number 4, live below your means. It is essential to live below your means to accumulate riches. That doesn't mean you shouldn't buy anything at all, but rather that you should prioritize what is most essential and buy the other things that are less important as a result. One way to do this is through delayed gratification. No matter what you choose to sacrifice, the point is to give up some part of your life now to have more options available in the future. Give yourself a challenge. Once you can do it, you can successfully save money, invest, and build wealth. Instead of just living an average life where nothing extraordinary happens, why not try something different and go after bigger goals? Sometimes you may not instantly see the result, but other times you will turn in lucrative successes. Here's a saying: failure is the mother of success. Failure helps us learn how to succeed next time, while success helps us think we know everything about life. Either way, challenges keep our lives exciting and engaging while saving us from complacency, which leads many people down the path towards poverty. Number 5, have a plan. An excellent way to create wealth if you were not born rich is by having a plan. A good way to start planning is by setting goals for yourself. and then sticking with them. You can accomplish this by creating a budget and ensuring that all your income goes towards paying off debts first. Having a plan can help you achieve financial success. You can also set up an emergency fund and ensure you have enough money for unexpected expenses, as well as give you peace of mind. Another thing you can do is invest in yourself, so that you can learn new skills, make more money, and retire early. If you are interested in knowing more about how to make more money or make money online, feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. Now, if you are still watching this video, here is a bonus as I've mentioned at the beginning. If you are ready, then let's go. Here is the bonus. Stay disciplined. If you want to become wealthy, staying disciplined is one of the most important things you can do. Self-discipline will help keep emotions in check. Knowing how to manage your feelings and impulses is essential for building wealth over time. For example, if you have $10 in your pocket and see a $5 item at the store, it's easy to think, why not just buy it? Even though it's a small purchase, it might trigger a desire for more spending. But if you stay disciplined and don't buy it, you will still have money left over from what was originally in your pocket later on down the line. If you want to discover more about how to make money online to boost your income, feel free to click the links down below now. If you want to know more about how to be rich, check out this playlist to discover more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.